Hi breathers, in this video, you're gonna learn a breathing technique to break bad habits, reroute your focus, and stop doing the thing that you know you shouldn't. Bad is relative to each person, but you know when you're doing something that you'd be better off not doing. And the best way to break a bad habit is to replace it with a better one. The next time you find yourself moving towards your bad habit or catch yourself already doing it, use this breathing technique to stop, reroute, and do something that's better for you. Right now, visualize yourself trading your bad habit for this breath practice. See yourself going to do the bad habit and then choosing to do this breathing practice instead. Your imagination here helps reinforce this choice and change the next time you encounter your bad habit. So let's do the breathing technique. It's going to be a nasal inhale, nice and full, a blow exhale, super slow and gentle, and a suspension, holding your breath out at the bottom of the exhale so that you can witness yourself being successful in overcoming this bad habit. Wherever you are, blow all of the breath out. Use your nose, breathe in nice and full. And as you breathe in, imagine the breath just stopping this urge for that habit. Purse your lips, blow the breath out very slow and softly. And imagine this desire for that habit just fading away. Hold your lungs empty in suspension just for a moment. Witness yourself overcoming that urge. Blow another quick puff out. Breathe in through the nose. Feel the breath blocking, stopping that urge. Purse the lips, blow it out so softly and soothingly. See your desire for that craving just fading away. And pause your breath out at the bottom, just noticing your success. One more time, blow another quick puff out. Breathe in through the nose. Purse the lips, blow it out, nice and easy and slow. Pause the breath at the bottom. Awesome job. Our habits tend to be coping mechanisms for whenever we're stressed, overwhelmed, bored, or just unhappy with ourselves. This technique makes your unconscious conscious by using the breath as a channel for change. You're taking responsibility and connecting with the reliability of your breath because it's always there for you. I hope this breathing technique helps you break your bad habits, and let me know in the comments below how well it works for you. If you want to learn more breathing techniques for all different types of applications, be sure to join my online breath technique training. It's where I teach you over 60 different breathing techniques. And don't worry if you're not ready to up-level your breath education that much just yet. I also have a free breath awareness program on breathguidance.com. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. I'm Danny May, and I hope to see you more around Breath Guidance soon. Bye.